YouTube, this is Julian Tech Reviews, and we're here with another exciting case review video for you. And this time we have the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and we have Crave. And we've used Crave in the past, and we love their cases. Now let's see if they can stand the test of time with the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. But before we get into that, please like and subscribe to this channel. Really appreciate it. Thanks for all your love and support. Without further ado, let's get into it. Now I got 3 cases here. And if you've seen any of my Crave protection case videos, most of them with the Google phone series or the Samsung series, you know these mean business. Now, they are going to give you exactly what you want. Excellent protection, excellent colors, and excellent price. Now, the price on each one of these are about 17 bucks. And right now, if you go on Amazon, which you can get on Amazon, you can get it about 10% off. And they have a plethora of colors. I got 3 out of about 7 or 8 of them. But without further ado, let's go ahead and lace this up. And we're just going to test to see, what colors look like. So right now, this one is the Slate Gray. Yes, Slate Gray. And I'm putting it on this Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. Now, putting them on is pretty simple, but you just want to make sure that you put it in the corner first for protection and on the bottom, and then just kind of wrap that lip around it. And then this is what it looks like. So you got a really nice slate color. You got the Crave logo on the bottom. You got this excellent dual protection. So you got a TPU material underneath, and then you got this polycarbonate hard back. You got excellent camera housing, layered protection, lip protection, and then you have all of your buttons covered up in this nice black TPU material. That part is very grippy, so you get some grippiness with that, and you get some really nice buttons that sound very clicky. Power button is clicky. No obstructions when it comes to your Pixel 10 Pro XL. So excellent cutouts for your antenna, excellent cutouts for your USB-C. And does it hinder you wirelessly? Let's see. And the answer is, oops, put it on there. Let me put it on sideways. There you go. The answer is no. So you have an excellent case. You're only paying about 17 bucks for it or less. And you got a nice colorway with dual layer protection. And if you can see the housing right here, slam protected. So that is the Slate colorway. Now I got the exact same cases, just in different colors. So in this portion of the video, I'm just gonna, put on the other ones, show you what they look like. If you're looking at getting one of these, just go ahead and click that link in the description. So next one we're gonna try is one of my favorite colors. This is the forest green color, and I like it because it's very neutral, but it has a little pop. And once again, you put it in there like such. You got all the protections all around. Now, the unique thing about this color is that it has the 2 different greens on the TPU and the polycarbonate on the back right here. And then it has the black buttons, so it is really nice. And you do have your lip protection inside and on the camera housing. So when you put it back down here, you're not touching your camera. And all these same things applies for this one as such for the Slate. So you're gonna get all that protection. Once again, another 17 bucks. Cannot complain. That was the forest green. And last but not least, the lovely, luxurious berry color. So as you can see, you got the dual lip protection. I'm gonna take it out to show you the TPU material. And then this is polycarbonate by itself. Obviously you can't put the polycarbonate in there without the TPU. So let's go ahead and put it back in there. And the good thing about it is you can put that back in there with no fuss, and they just snap back into place. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Now let's put it on there. And as you can see, no issues there. I do have a glass protection on top of it. I failed to mention, which means that you can put this on here and your glass won't move, as you can see. So that is this is very tempered glass case friendly. And here's the berry color, and it's glorious. And it's got kind of like a wine color TPU material, kind of a berry back, Crave cutouts, extra crisp on the buttons. And you just cannot go wrong with one of these cases, these extra luxurious cases. It feels great. You're not going to drop it. Now, let's go and talk about one other thing. Now, Google Pixels this year do have MagSafe protection built into the phone. Now, one thing we know that it doesn't hinder is the wireless charging, doesn't hinder the MagSafe. Let's find out. So I have a MagSafe protection or MagSafe wallet here. So as I put that on. All right, so with this case, the MagSafe from your phone is going to be hindered a little bit. So as you can see, it does see that there's a MagSafe, and it can put it on there briefly, but then after a while it falls. So if you're looking for this case to be MagSafe capable, it's going to hinder it just a little bit. So I wish I can get better when it comes to that. But if you're looking for MagSafe case or enhancement, you're going to have to get a more MagSafe friendly case or something thinner that won't block your your phone's MagSafe. So a little bummer on that, but otherwise I give this a 9 out of 10. So they once again hit it out of the park. They stay consistent. Can't go wrong with Crave. Links will be in the description. Thank you for stopping by for my review, Julian Tech Reviews. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.